So last night I slept here outside in the hall. जाने को मैं बेडरूम में जाके सो सकता था, but I was just not in the mind, or I was not in a state to give up yet कि ये solve नहीं हो रहा है. I was stuck at a problem. I was stuck in Remart's ideation, कुछ छोटे मोटी चीज़ों में, and I was not able to find a solution. And that is where I felt so worthless for a moment that fuck it, look, I don't even deserve going to my bedroom. So I ended up sleeping yahin pe. And this video I'm just making with one purpose, is to tell you that ऐसा नहीं है कि people who you see on the internet or people who you think are above you are having solutions to everything. Even they feel that lost feeling. Even they have that sense of no direction, and it's okay. I mean, ठीक है, क्या कर सकते हैं? It is what it is. Everyone has to go through this. And the sooner or later that we start accepting it, कि, or rather, like more than accepting it, we start embracing it. कि ठीक है, if I am through this, it would be ending up with something positive. Now, I was literally tossing around the whole night. And aaj subah when I woke up, I had a thing. I had a solution to what I was looking out for. So mainly it was just around how I can solve the problem of which the clients generally face, and how can we do it in a manner it doesn't become so stringent or so boxed that people just feel too tight about it. So yeah, like I'm sure like अभी ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा, but ठीक है, this was the problem if you get it. क्योंकि I'm not in a state to currently explain अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें. It's too much going on, too much. So full day I'm all around thinking, then putting this to work. चला नहीं चला, ये नहीं चलेगा. So it's okay. And ये अगर phase नहीं आ रहा है, then also this is a problem. क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Then that means you are doing something which is like, which doesn't even need a solution. If you are not facing a problem, this means that you are not even facing something, or you are not even head on taking a problem which needs a solution even in the first place. So it's okay if you are at this place where I was last night, or I do tend to go often, and that's okay. So if you are like going through this thing, I just wanted to tell you, don't get overwhelmed. Don't end up thinking कि सब खत्म हो जाएगा, and moreover, don't take it in a negative way. Best thing that you can do is start feeling excited about it. Fuck, solution नहीं मिल रहा है. That means like I am in a state, first of all, that most people can't even imagine to be, and secondly, like I will come out of this with something very positive, or something which my heart will accept ki, yes, this is the solution I'm looking out for, or this is what I was talking about. So yeah, don't overthink, don't feel low. This is your phase of, वो कहते हैं ना कि सोना पिघला के बनता है. So this is your phase of going through that furnace and becoming the finest version of yourself. So yeah, cheers.